Hoi An is known for its well-preserved ancient town, which has a mix of Chinese, French and Japanese influence. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of the daytime footage from Hoi An, but still managed to pick out this photo, showing a family of 5 on a single scooter. At night, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hoi An comes to life as the colourful lanterns light up the ancient city.
We're just enjoying this little cruise on the river in Hoi An, and it's beautiful, to be honest. Oh, there's lanterns everywhere. It is quite beautiful, and there's plenty of the lanterns on the river, the candlelit ones. It's pretty awesome.
As you can see, Hoi An was a magical place. Now our next move was to head south to the city of Nha Trang, but because of the Tet New Year holidays, there were no flights, trains or buses available due to high demand. Fortunately, the lovely Vietnamese family who owned the hotel we were staying at stepped in and got us tickets for a 12-hour overnight sleeper bus. The short story basically goes like this. We waited for the sleeper bus and a huge crowd of people pushed right in front of us and took all of the beds apart from 2 right at the back of the bottom bunk. Now these seats had no aircon, didn't allow you to sit up whatsoever, just think of a bunk bed but without much of a gap between the top and bottom, and either side of the seats were Vietnamese farmers who smelt like their name suggested. Having assessed the potential 12 hours of claustrophobic hell, we thought, F this, and jumped back off the bus. Yes, we had no backup plan, nowhere to stay for the night, and no way of getting to Nha Trang, but it was a completely justified decision. So, skip forward 10 minutes and following an argument with the bus company, they called the hotel we were staying at. Literally, a few minutes later, the owner's son arrived, put us straight into a taxi and whisked us back to the hotel. For some reason they apologised, even though it wasn't their fault or problem, and even put us up in the hotel for an extra night for free. Honestly, these were some of the nicest people we've ever met. We can't thank them enough for their amazing hospitality. So the next night, we arrived early and finally got a decent seat on the sleeper bus to Nha Trang. If you enjoyed that, please leave a comment below, like the video and subscribe to our channel.